Halloween. It's like the pre-seasons for the Commanders. My boyfriend asked me if I wanted to come. So that wig, and I went through it. Because it was never supposed to be that long to dye that wig. Like, it took me hours to dye that wig. So, you won't catch me doing that wig for a while. But sad because I didn't get a photo shoot with my Mia cosplay. And that was like the best cosplay I've had. That was my favorite one. I mean, this install was pretty simple because the lace was already cut out. So we're just actually mainly focusing on how to, cut the actual wig lace. So first you're going to get some type of edge control to save your edges. So that's what I'm doing right now, just putting edge control on my edges. Going to stretch out the wig. I don't really know if this method works. I just saw someone do it, so I'm just like, okay, I guess stretching out the wig helps. So next you're going to cut holes on each side of your ear, and that's just going to keep the wig cap in place for when you actually get ready to cut the wig, so that matches your hairline. And you're going to spray the lace spray that's supposed to melt the lace. So you're just going to spray it around your hair. Then you're gonna blow dry it on cool. I do cool to warm and do that for like 5 minutes. After you do that, then you're going to cut out the lace. You can use a razor or scissors. Using a razor is better because it gives it that natural look, like that little zigzag, instead of like cutting with scissors. It might also just be a little harder for scissors, especially if you're a beginner. didn't show this in the video, but you're supposed to put makeup on powder foundation on top of the wig. Videos out that are super detailed with cutting the lace, cutting the wig like first time. So I have a more detailed one. And I just put those videos up here. So here you go. So what you're trying to do is cut the lace as close to your hairline as possible. You're going to spray Got2b glue again, or you can use like regular lace glue, spray it, and then you're going to blow dry it. So you're going to use, instead of it being cool or warm, make sure it's on like high heat. So when you blow dry the hair, it makes it more sticky. It can be very sticky, which will help stick together with the actual wig. The more sticky it is, the better. So that's what I'm basically doing now. I'm putting the wig on. So in this section, I'm just trying to put the wig in place. So that's what you see me trying to pressing down around my edges and my hairline just to make sure the lace is like pressed down. This is a really cute color. I love burgundy, but burgundy on me is just eating the girlies up. But I'm not be a fan of wigs, and now I'm just like, I feel like if I'm switching it up, I feel like I'm eating the girlies up. So I'm about to. This is actually. Like, I was mad that the wig is very small. Like, it was low-key a defective wig, but I can't lie about the hair. The hair, I haven't worn this in a couple months, and the hair is still, like... And I don't be putting my wigs on, like, mannequins, and the hair is still really soft. Like, it's really soft. I cannot wait to slay and do all the things with this. That lace is not sticking. It's not sticking. And then I'm gonna put this on, which helps the lace melt, like just helps the lace melt, and keep that on for like 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm done with the hair. Now I'm gonna eat some food and then basically get ready for my boyfriend to pick me up because we're going to the preseason for Commanders. Oh, let me show y'all the Cosmo. Look, my boyfriend got me a y'all know that vlog. He was in his vlog and we got him different clothes. So this is his Commander shirt. Might take him with us. Cause he's so cute. I honestly like this wavy. Honestly do. I can't lie. I do. And then now I'm just about to style it. Now I'm just gonna use the hot tail comb because that's gonna help the lace get more flat.
face mask is done. Y'all see the skin? Skin is giving all the way. I feel like we're good on the hair. Well, not quite. We do need a little touch up for some stuff, but overall, I'm not complaining about the hair too much. Like,
and then just fly iron it and just do my little touch up. So that's what I'm doing now. Guys, we're here. Here. Bee season.